In this video, I will show you how to delete apps on iPhone permanently. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the app that you want to delete. So of course you can do this just by scrolling through your different apps, or what you can do is use the search box just down here and type the name of the app that you want to delete. So in this example, I'm going to be deleting Full Pics One Word. Now, once you've located the app, you want to press and hold onto the app itself. Then you're going to get some options come up. What you want to do is simply select Delete App. What it's going to do is come up with a confirmation saying deleting this app will also delete its data. So all you want to do is go ahead, press delete, and what it's going to do, as you can see, is permanently delete the app from your iPhone. So that is how to delete apps on iPhone permanently. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.